Hey guys, I'm Boywithuke. This is what I look like without my mask, and I'm going to teach you how to play my new song, Trauma. Just kidding, it's J Willie Guy. But that would be freaking sick, wouldn't it? Anyway, get your ukuleles, make sure they're in tune. G, C, E, A sounds weird because you're going to need a capo on the 2nd fret. If you don't have a capo, you can get a pencil, make it tight with a rubber band. Not a big deal. This song, like many of Boywithuke's other songs, is very easy because it's only 4 chords and the same strumming pattern for the whole thing. So let's jump right in to the chords. All right, welcome to being very close to my ukulele. There are only 4 chords in the song. The first one is a C, which is whatever finger you want on the 3rd fret from, the capo. So C. The next chord is a G, which is your ring finger. Actually, I lied. It's your middle finger on the bottom string of the 2nd fret, ring finger on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, pointer finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret. G. The chord after that is E minor, the staircase one. Yes, you guys love this one. Pointer finger, bottom string, 2nd fret, middle finger, 3rd string, 3rd fret, ring finger, 2nd string of the 4th fret. And then the last chord, I'm not really sure what this is, but he bars all the strings on the 2nd fret. I'm not 100% sure what this chord is, but yeah, you basically just bar all 4 of these strings. You could even, use all 4 of your fingers if you have smaller fingers. My fingers are kind of big, so it's easier for me to just bar it. So C, G, E minor, and then this mystery one. Now let's get to the strumming pattern. Okay, so the strumming pattern, it's pretty easy. It's the one that we always do, guys. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. And you do it twice on each chord. So starting with C, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then G, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then E minor, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then this one, down, down, up, down, down, up. And that's it. So let's go ahead and try to sing. Should we sing a verse or a chorus? Let's see what happens. Try that again. But sometimes I just can't help myself. I wanna give up trying and start doing something else. Sometimes I just get overwhelmed. I know it's in my mind, but I think I need some help, 'cause sometimes I just can't help myself. Well, I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Trauma by Boywithuke. It's pretty easy and it's pretty fun. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Why don't you go check out my skate vlogs and some other stuff that I do if you just want to watch my channel and support me and hang out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.